medical 8310.
Have them code 3 to the top of Spring Street to access it on the road. They'll head through the gate to the right. Give them a quick rundown of that.
Copy, you'll be sending you 4436.
I'll continue the Type 1 and Type 3 to Spring Street for now, because we'll have plenty of resources. We can always cancel that later. Sound okay?
Fire en route over in that area. If not, you can start on code 3.
We have a call near the tannery. No need
for aircraft or don't copy at Erie Clinton. Copy, break, Pogonip IC, copy traffic, 25. They're on their way in with a crew of 5.
Copy that, 1710 on their way up the hill, thanks.
And we're the only ones remaining in staging. We'll try and see what else we can do.
Copy, we're going to just walk a little bit more forward on the spring trail to see if we have a bit off to our right.
Hold traffic, staging, IC, tactic.
Go ahead.
What side dinner if you're Type 3?
2538.
I copy. We're going to release them, have them advise Felton. There's another fire in the unit, and Felton will...
3437 operations.
Go ahead for 37.
2537 just showed up. Just confirm more hose down to you guys and the chainsaw.
Copy that. Break. Fire attack for 37, water coming.
Captain Reaver would like a saw, please.
Yeah, copy. And just confirm you guys need a saw and just more hose down there to you. You guys made it to the scene of the fire.
We do not need more hose. The person bringing the chainsaw, possibly bring a Y. I believe with a Y we'll be able to go around the fire. I don't think we need any 1 inch.
Copy. So just a Y and chainsaw and hand tools.
That's correct.
Copy. .38. Hold up right there and lay and dry 1 inch.